Guys, kasama natin si Luthor. Oh my gosh. In character. Is this a look?
Supposedly, they're trying to make me look like formal and stuff, but I think I told them, I was like, make me look a little bit Italian.
Wow.
That's why I think.
Oh
the
yeah. I
Diba?
can see it with the vest.
Diba?
Wait lang, kamusta? You look like you've been super having fun. I saw the beach videos with your crew.
Oh, yeah, I mean, it's been fun. Like these past months, it's just
Uh-huh.
been honestly like a lot of training every day
Oo.
and just taking day by day.
Alam mo, excited ako makausap ka kasi ang daming fans na nagtatanong, kamusta ka na? Oo, ano, I was like, hindi ko pa hindi ko pa nakakausap si Marco, so this is the time. Kamusta ka na nga?
I think I've recently I kind of took a break from social media because I didn't have this like strong feeling about sharing my life so much, and I was enjoying my personal life so much that I didn't feel like na kailangan ko pa i-share.
Walang pressure.
Oo, pero ngayon na nagsimula ulit yung taon, parang
Game ka na.
yeah, I'm getting like the
go
vibe
back.
of editing again, creating more content, kind of like just not to have it on my camera roll.
Yeah,
you know?
but it's a season, right? I also feel that I can relate na parang,
Diba? You
yeah.
get burnt out eh.
Oh, but now hindi. Naka-recharge ka na. Oh my gosh.
Punong-puno na.
Ay, punong-puno na. Anong pumuno?
Yung puso ko para magmahal ulit.
Totoo ba yun?
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I just wanted to get that. Or is that for real? Like you're open again to dating?
Not yet.
Because everything like looks like it's going well with the boys, right? Like, do you
Yeah,
have a
but then-
basketball team or something?
Yeah, we do have a basketball team.
yeah.
But honestly, it's been like so peaceful. Na parang I don't have the need. You know, I'm just like I'm doing my thing. Every day I wake up, just chat the boys, go to the gym,
Yeah.
eat, go home, sleep.
So happy for you. So happy for you.
Yeah.
And of course, you're here with Lorelai.
Yep.
And ito na, Loki and Lorelai. Ay, sorry, may picture ba kayo? Ayan, isasama na natin sila, syempre. Because I haven't, wait, baka malaglag ka, Marco. Galing mo naman. Can you just say the soundtrack here in Project Loki is so nice?
Yeah.
Thank you
Oh my
so
God.
much.
Yeah. Ay, sorry, nagba-blockings daw sila, guys. So, ganito yung blockings ng Project Loki, guys. Ayan, syempre sa digital
You
makikita.
want her to be in the
Yeah.
I'm the back.
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Kaya natin.
Go lang, kaya mo yan.